Have you ever wondered why some people snore? Snoring happens when air can't flow freely through the throat. Imagine a garden hose with a kink. The water can't flow smoothly. In some people, the throat muscles relax too much during sleep. This can cause the throat to narrow, creating vibrations. Certain factors like weight, age, and allergies can make snoring worse. Think of it like a traffic jam. Too many cars can cause a backup. Some people snore loudly, while others barely make a sound. Sleeping on your side can help reduce snoring. Using nasal strips can also open up the airways. In some cases, medical help might be needed. So, if you or someone you know snores, there are ways to help. Remember, a good night's sleep is important for everyone. Now you know why some people snore and what can be done.